Moving a vehicle in a tight space can present many challenges. This is particularly evident when reversing a large vehicle where visibility may be limited. A spotter is someone trained to guide the driver using hand signals to warn the driver of any obstacles and assist them to complete the move safely. A spotter must always be used when reversing a vehicle out of the workshop or moving a vehicle in any direction within the workshop or yard where space is tight, there are obstacles in the path that cannot be removed, or if the driver cannot see the entire pathway clearly. The following is the Truckstops Spotter Use instructional video. Before starting to move, the driver and spotter must walk the area to look at the space and obstructions and agree the path to be taken. If possible, consider stopping movement of other traffic and pedestrians. The hand signals for going forward or backward is as demonstrated. Use a straight arm to point to the direction you want the truck to turn whilst indicating movement as shown. To stop the truck, arms are held above the head as seen here. The spotter must be clearly visible to the driver at all times. If the driver cannot see the spotter, they must stop until the spotter is clearly visible. The spotter must position themselves so the driver can clearly see them in their mirrors. Do not move the vehicle until the spotter indicates movement using hand signals. For a reversing vehicle, the spotter is positioned at the rear of the vehicle and clearly visible. If another vehicle or pedestrian enters the truck pathway, instruct the truck to stop until they've passed. The reversing vehicle must give way to all traffic. Remember, the spotter must be clearly visible to the driver at all times. When directing the truck forward, the spotter must stand to the front of the vehicle and remain clearly visible to the driver at all times. The spotter must not walk backwards where any slip or fall hazards exist. If the spotter needs to change position, they must instruct the vehicle to stop before they move. The driver must stop until the spotter signals them to move again.